Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome home to Safe Haven, and thank you for joining us for another video this week. So in today's video, I want to go over the top home decor trends coming in for 2021. So these trends have been projected to be the biggest trends. The top furniture designing stores, they're already on top of it with these trends. So I'm just gonna break down the top trends we're gonna see in home decor, furniture, and interior design going into 2021. So the first trend I want to talk about, and what you're going to see a lot of in 2021, would be rattan and weaving home decor pieces, whether it be from furniture to baskets to lamps or lighting. You're going to see a lot of rattan or weaving. Now, this all goes back to bringing in natural elements from outside into our homes. That's going to be a major thing for 2021, bringing in elements from outside inside, because we've been clustered inside because of everything that's happening right now. So persons are bringing in that outdoor inside their homes. And one of the major ways that they're bringing outside elements inside the home is with the rattan or the weaving. So you can expect a lot of rattan furniture pieces, home decor accents, and all of that with the rattan or the weaving pattern. And it's just like bringing that wood element into the home, making it earthy, bringing in earth tones, just breaking up all the modern and just white and black, and bringing in some natural elements into your home. So that's one of the major trends you're going to see going forward in 2021. The next trend is nothing new. It's something that we've been doing all along, but it's getting even more of a push, and that is mixing old with the new. So we're going to take antique pieces and we're going to mix them with our modern pieces to give a nice balance in our home. Now, antique pieces persons have been seeking them out heavily in the past few months. Those large antique planters and pots, antique furnitures and chairs, they are making a huge comeback, and persons love that old feel, that worn into look, not necessarily like all these new things or factory made and new. Persons are mixing the old with the new, and that is a good thing for balance. In your home, you need to always try to have some form of balance. So balance in the paint colors, balance in the wall art and symmetry, and you can have balance in terms of your home decor style as well. You can mix home decor styles like modern with farmhouse, and you can mix modern with antique pieces, which is a major trend right now. Everyone loves that old weathered look. I'm going to show some pictures of like some pots that has that antique, worn in, passed through many centuries type of look. That is a major trend right now. Now, with us being stuck inside, bundled up, we have grown to love cozy and comfortable furniture over the past few months. And this trend is not going away anytime soon, honey. Okay? We are here for cozy and comfortable. For the past 3 years, modern has been super big. But modern can tend to be uncomfortable and not so warm and welcoming. But being home for the past few months, and well, it's been a year now. Yeah, for some persons, it's been a year locked up in your home. Persons are reaching out for comfort even more. So those comfortable, big, fluffy couches and those room accent chairs with the fur or the shearling, persons want comfort. They're choosing comfort now over looks or the image. It's all about comfort and being cozy. That's where it's headed in 2021. Persons are not sacrificing anymore like the comfort of their furniture just for the look. Persons have been actually using their furniture in the past year, so they're like, okay, well, we're not getting out of this pandemic anytime soon, so let's continue with the comfort and cozy trend. So you're gonna see a lot of that. You're gonna see fluffy blankets. You're gonna see cozy couches, fluffy rugs, shag rugs, just that comfortable vibe and homey feel that persons knew growing up. You know, in those traditional homes, those things are gonna be brought back into 2021 going forward. We're at home. We're quarantining. We're on lockdown, so we may as well be comfortable. You know, we can't have that furniture that we're not gonna sit on. Like, that's not the vibe for 2021. We need to have furniture that we're gonna be using and furniture that we're super comfortable and relaxed in. Now, another trend that I really like would definitely have to be multi-purpose furniture. So we have been seeing over the past few years and decades multi-purpose furniture, in the fact that, you know, you have beds with the pull-out drawers with the storage, and also pull-out couches and ottomans that can lift up and store items. But they're taking it even further now, and with the work from home situation also, we're trying to think of how we can use the furniture pieces in our home to do multiple things. Our dining table is now our office desk. So what I've been seeing is like dining room tables with storage on the side, and you don't necessarily have to put like books or anything like that. You can actually put plates there, wine glasses, wine. So it's a dining table but also with storage. The same thing as well for your ottomans. So it's a piece of furniture that you can sit on, but you can also have storage in it. I've seen desks that function as nightstands while being an office desk or office table. Like, it's a lot of things being integrated. So multi-purpose furniture is going to be huge. Okay, huge. As I mentioned before, many persons are bringing in those warm, earthy elements from outside into their home, and that's going to also translate into the colors and the type of wood and everything that we're going to use in our home. Earth tones are in, okay? Earth tones, warm tones are in. So persons are mixing the black and the white with earthy, warm browns, neutrals, light brown tones mixed in with their modern black and white. So, you know, after being home for so long, looking at the black and white, it gets tiring. It's uninspiring. We don't get the opportunity to go outside as much. So persons are bringing in that earthy tone and those colors from outside into our homes. So you're going to see a lot of browns, a lot of rust tones, a lot of earthy greens. Persons are bringing in their plants inside the homes. All right, so the large planters that persons are going to have, they're going to have earth tones in their homes. Earth toned curtains, earth tones bedding. Like, these warmer tones are really going to bring that comfy feel and that warm, welcoming feel into your homes right now. So you're going to expect a lot of that trending in 2021. Not so much black and white and cool tones and the grays. We're stepping away from those and we're bringing in warm tones into our home. Now, this trend I am all over, and these are large statement mirrors. Now, persons have been getting inspiration from Restoration Hardware and these places with these grand mirrors. It has been a trend that has been developing. You know, you had the standing mirrors, but now they are getting even bigger. Okay, like king, queen size, palace, luxury, large mirrors that run from ceiling to floor. Those are the type of mirrors persons are getting, and I actually really love them. I also like those circular mirrors as well. Those are going to be pretty popular and hold up during the 2021 as one of the major trends. Those circular mirrors and large statement mirrors. They actually, the thing with mirrors, guys, they make your home look bigger. So that's why persons in a dance studio or different places, you'll see they have these mirrors. Yes, you can see yourself dancing and stuff, but it also makes a studio look even bigger than it actually is. So having these large mirrors, you are adding almost like extra space, or the illusion that you have a bigger space with these large mirrors. And it also gives a sense of, like, wealth, luxury, grand. I'm a queen. So large statement mirrors are going to continue to trend in 2021. So now this trend is going to be carried from 2020 right into 2021. And this trend is using large planters or basket planters in your home with artificial trees, or even for some persons, small, like real small trees. Now, persons have been loving the planter trend. As I said, bringing it outside into the home. It's a theme, really, to bring in outside into the home right now. And these large planters, they give such a luxurious feeling, because think about it, when you go to the hotels, these are what you see. They have these large planters in the lobby, in the like common spaces at the hotel. So persons are bringing these trends into the home, and I really love them. Okay, and now again with the basket planters, again that natural tone, those earthy tones, the weaving, but now you're just putting a plant in it. Cute, win-win, two trends in one, introducing color and greenery to your home while being on trend. So those basket planters and those large, like concrete stone bowls and large planters, those are going to be big again into 2021. Now, another major trend we have to talk about is the rounded furniture and accent pieces that have been seen trending everywhere, or even furniture with unusual shapes, but mostly rounded, right? So if you've been following home decor trends or the home decor scene, you'd have seen some couches with curves, rounded, all these beautiful shapes. And also the chairs, accent chairs, are now rounded. Rounded coffee table, those large round mirrors, round, circular, that type of shape, curved edges, smooth edges are in. Persons are breaking up those square, rectangular. We're breaking up the lines. We're doing curve, okay? Rounded. And you're going to see more of that in 2021. So you're going to see it in your chairs, couches, ottomans, coffee tables, end tables, mirrors. As I said before, they're going to be curved. And also you're going to see a lot of things coming in these unusual shapes, especially like accent chairs, just something different, something to catch the eye of your visitors in your home. All right, so you're going to see a lot of that round furniture. And also the round furniture gives it a softer touch. It makes your home feel a little bit more, easy going and calm, and it's like a more chill vibe. So expect to see more of those rounded couches and rounded accent chairs. Now the next trend is not really something physical or an item, it's a color, and it is yellow. You are going to be seeing a lot of yellow, and also like rusty orange, terracotta coming into 2021. And persons are going to be using this as, little accents in their home. A nice throw pillow with a nice yellow throw pillow, a nice brown warm tone, accent piece, a nice vase, a nice vessel. So these colors are going to be introduced in the home. We are actually stepping into color, not like we used to before, like we're not going all in again, but we are introducing color into the space again, bringing in those outside elements. Yellow, it's like the sunshine. We are bringing those into our home. So you're going to see a lot of yellow and mustard, terracotta, orange, rust, those color tones in 2021 as a huge home decor trend. Now, for 2021, we could not leave out the large plant trend. Persons have these huge trees in potted plants basically growing in their home. They have these plants growing in their home big and tall, okay? But these large plants, again, bringing in outside into the home, bringing in greenery, making the place feel a little bit more, you know, cozy, welcoming, bringing in what we can't access outside into our homes. So persons, you're going to see trends with trees growing in people's houses. You know, that's a bit more luxury. But if you can't do that, you can do these large oversized branches in vases. You can do these large potted trees, or even a medium-sized potted tree that, you know, almost goes up to your ceiling level. That's the trend that we're going to see continue in 2021. Those larger, more statement plants, olive trees, eucalyptus plants, those are going to be really big in 2021. They were big in Christmas, big in fall, and we're going to continue to see them in 2021. All right, guys. The last trend I want to talk about goes back to being cozy and comfortable, but now in the form of these little soft, like fluffy throw pillows, fur throw pillows, rugs with the fur, like a lot of fur, shearling, fluffy, soft goodness. Like, you're gonna see a lot of that trending in 2021. Okay, again, we want to be cozy at home. We don't want to be stuck up in any itchy furniture pieces, itchy fabric, like hard plain fabric. No, we want cozy. So you're gonna see a lot of that shearling, a lot of that plush, like teddy bear looking fabric. All of that is going to be trending hugely in 2021. Expect to see more fur rugs, accent rugs. Expect to see more fur throws, blankets on your couches. We're doing cozy, we're doing fluffy, we're doing fuzzy. It has its moments, okay? And persons are enjoying the goodness of being cozy at home, and I really don't see any problem with it. It's just nice to feel comfy in your own home. So that's what persons are trending towards in 2021. Alright guys, so that wraps up my top trends for home decor in 2021 video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when we upload. We're uploading 2 videos a week, sometimes 3. Okay, we're real productive over here, guys, and stick around with me as I decorate my apartment. We have tours coming up, more shop with me videos, more home decor videos, more vlogs. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. Do you plan on integrating any of these home decor trends in your home? And do you like any of these trends? Are you now open to any of them? Comment down below, tell me what you think. Thank you guys for joining me today. Bye. So you're gonna see a lot of that. You're gonna see fluff, 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 fluff. So you can expect a lot of these trends to be brought. So persons, what I've been seeing is that you have dining tables with like storage on the side, and you can also store like So in today's video, I want to go over the top trends. Now, one of the major trends we're going to see in 2020. What? So, All right, so the first trend I want to talk about that you're going to be seeing a lot of in 2021 is rattan or weaving with